In this tutorial, we will see how we can unhide all worksheets at once in Microsoft Excel. There are two ways of doing this. One is by writing a short VBA code and other by creating custom view. We will see both these ways in this video, so stay tuned. Hi, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. First, let me create some blank sheets for our demonstration purpose. So now we have 5 worksheets. There is a feature in Excel where you can group multiple sheets by pressing Ctrl button and clicking on each sheet to group them together. Once we have grouped this together, we can just right click and hide them all at once. But when we need to unhide them all at once, this is not possible. We don't have any option of grouping or selecting multiple sheets, so the only evident way seems to be is unhiding one at a time. So our first method to achieve this is with VBA code. We will first need to open the VBA editor by pressing Alt F11. In this window, we will need to write our code. I have copied my code in my clipboard, which I pasted in this window. I have also provided this code in the description box below. Once you are done with the code, close this window and you will be back in the Excel worksheet. Now press Alt F8. This will open the macro dialog box. You will see our custom macro code name here. Just click on this and hit run. You can see here below, all our worksheets are unhidden. The other method to do this is by creating a custom view. As you can see that right now we have all our sheets in the unhidden mode. We can go to the view ribbon and click on the custom views. Click on add and give it a name and click OK. Now we have a view saved which has all the sheets unhidden. Now we will hide some of the sheets so that we can get them back with our newly created view. Okay, so now to get back our hidden sheets, we will go to Views, Custom Views, select our view and click Show. So these were the two methods of unhiding all the worksheets at once. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.